What's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Alright, so yes, let's go over today what ended up happening and also what I am looking for the end of day. Yo, Viola, what's up, bro? Thanks for sharing the live stream. We appreciate it. Alright, so yes, we're going to pull up this other live chat here, and then, yeah, we're going to go over today, and I do want to go ahead and find those end of day swings, of course. Alright, so pull that chat up there. Alright, yeah, we should be good here. Alright, yeah, so on SPY here, this is the little next leg down that I am referring to, that I'm looking at, which, honestly, I do want to take. So, you know, there is some empty space here. Yo, appreciate the, sharing the live stream, bro. Really appreciate it. So, yeah, we got this clear gap up here, no consolidation. Obviously, yes, under this 682.40, we get that nice break below. Yeah, I'll be looking to take that to the downside. Honestly, I hope this doesn't happen overnight. I feel like it definitely could, especially if we get that break. We could end up gapping down. But, yeah, still a nice little move there. Looks really good. So, yeah, that is on SPY. Yo, Detroit, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Dude, yeah, having a great one, man. Hope you're having a good one, too. Yo, Blanca, what's up? Alright, got you with, what, Tesla as well. So, the thing about Tesla, this was a great play. Hold on. Please get off that. So, 1 hour chart. So, as you can see, yes, today, Tesla, we had a little battle here. So, the first thing that I seen here was this clear gap up, no consolidation. Looks like we're building a little structure. We'll go over that too as well. So yeah, we had this clear gap up, no consolidation here. We ended up getting that break. Yo, could you hear me? Can you guys hear me or no? Hopefully you guys can. If not, just let me know before I continue speaking. My Bluetooth isn't on either, so the audio should work. Hopefully. Alright, cool. Alright, so yes, for Tesla, this was on this 1 hour chart here. As you can see, yes, we have this clear gap up here, no consolidation. So this was actually, for me, I ended up getting in the first time and then stopped out with a little bit of profits. And then we got that close here. And after that, yes, we ended up getting that break. And kind of close under our 452 area, and we tapped that first and final target. You could see pretty much when we called this one out. You see the trades we were looking at this morning. I like Tesla SPY, POTR. Nvidia, we didn't get that though. So pretty much that was that little play there. We end up getting in. Both TPs finally smacked there. As you can see, for the next little play that I'm seeing here. So same thing, and yes, you can see in the Discord when I was spamming the chat about Tesla. So yeah, you can see when we were going down to the TPs, things of that sort. So yeah, nice little day there. Obviously under that 438, if we get that drop there, maybe for tomorrow we could see that 434. So yes, we got that nice little gap. That's what I'm seeing there. Would like that to the downside if we get that 438.71 break. So pretty much the same exact thing. Still the empty space. Some different levels, entry, exits, middle of the move looks really good. So yeah, that's on Tesla. I will say, so yeah, we end up taking this one to the downside. Like I said, we did end up creating some empty space above us. So we can close like this. We got another box here. And yeah, right above, let's see here. So for tomorrow, I could see a lot of downside, especially, I do like SPY, especially if we can get that nice little close. Obviously it will be more of a lotto, just because I don't really swing SPY. I just like to day trade it. But Tesla, we could end up getting that nice bounce above that 446.36 up to that 457, and then that first TP could be that 451. So that's what I'm seeing both ways pretty much. Right now, I personally wouldn't swing Tesla just because we're in consolidation. 457 by tomorrow, we definitely could. So I'm not saying we won't, but yeah, same exact thing for me. We're in that box. So I'm just gonna leave it alone and see if we can get that break above. Yo, Danny, what's up? Honestly, I don't know. I'm not sure yet. We've got to find a couple other swings. I got like at least one or two that I'm looking at already. But yeah, I do see a couple good ones. All right, so it looks like we got that close under. We might end up getting that continuation, but I do want to wait till end of day. All right, so that's there. Am I swinging SPY for tomorrow? I don't know. I haven't decided yet. We'll have to see how this last hour brings. Obviously, looks like we could end up dropping now. Under that 680. But yeah, honestly, let's look for some more swings. I'll look back at this end of day. But yeah, dang, that looks really good though. There's that little gap there. All right, so we'll keep on going. Yeah, if that ends up happening, 680. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trades, any play. So yes, please do your research. All right, Google. Let's take a look here. Or that's not Google. Oh man, can't even type today. All right, so we established Tesla already. Let's look at Zim. All right, let's do that. So we got a couple earnings plays today too. So we'll be going over those as well. So for Google, yeah, let's take a look here. So it looks like on a 1 hour we already have something, but let's look at a higher time frame. Let's take a look. All right, so on Google on this 24 hour, I can see yes, we did end up getting that drop. Still nothing stopping us to this upside. As you can see, yes, we can go down to a possible. I did like that 1 hour. I gotta change this here. So the 1 hour did look pretty good. Looks like we kind of already broken outside of our box here. So if we do get that continuation down to that 272.21, that's just what I can see. Obviously, it looks like we're close to that imbalance. So yeah, that's what I can see there. All right, so yes, that is on Google. We'll keep on going here. Let's see. So SPY, Zim. Okay. So yeah, we got a lot of earnings plays today too. So for today, we got what? Amazon. Hold on, I'm double checking right now. Amazon, Apple. We got Coin, Reddit. Honestly, we got a lot today. So that's after close. Before open tomorrow, we have ZOM and CVX. All right, so we'll keep on going here. So yeah, we'll pull up all these trades. So no worries. Silver is okay. All right. Okay, I do see this. When is earnings on this? So this isn't until November. Okay, got some time. It looks like. What I can see, same exact thing, pretty much. We got empty space above us. I do like this 24 hour. I will say this one's going to be more of a range rather than a box, I would say. So yeah, one big box range area. We would need to break above that 1530 in order for us to target to this 1771 area. So entry, exit, middle of the move. Got exactly what we want here. So actually, not a bad move there. We're just inside of that consolidation as of this second here. All right, so that's on that. We got what? Amazon. All right, so hold on. I want to delete all of that. Amazon, we got to go over what? We got Apple today too. We got Coin. We'll go over Coin. Reddit. And also, yeah, we'll go over meta. All right, gotcha, guys. We'll take a look. We'll take a look. No worries. All right. Okay. So Amazon, we got earnings here on this. Personally, let's take a look here. Weekly chart. We'll work our way down, actually. So weekly, 24 hour. So 24 hour, I feel like if we do end up finishing this move, I can see this 232 and then that 236. This was a play that we had just this week here. Let's see here. But I will be honest, we didn't touch that final TP. So this was clear gap down here. We end up getting that break. We tapped that first TP there. I did want that final, but yeah, we didn't get that final there. But that trade worked out pretty nicely. If we can stay outside this wall, 227, 232, and then that 236. Are you going to try? Yo, Danny, what's up? Honestly, I might try maybe one of them. But yeah, it'll definitely be a lotto, so if I lose on it, it's perfectly fine. But yeah, I definitely won't be giving anything back. Alright, so that's Amazon. Meta, let's take a look here. Honestly, yeah, let's get rid of this. Let's take a look on a... Let's see. Let's go to a 24-hour first. Alright, so let's see here. Meta. Okay, this is if we want to keep dropping on Meta. And yes, we're on a 24-hour. We will break it down on the lower time frame too. So what I can see here is top bottom wall there, right under this 625. So yeah, if we can get under that little bottom wall there, we do have empty space down to this 685. So entry, exit, middle of the move. That's under that 625 area. I get it, we're not close to that. So there's honestly no trade on that. But looks like we got some empty space above us, but we will just have to wait for this little play to happen here. So there's a little box here. We could end up breaking above here. And yes, empty space above there. Yeah, there's a lot. So yeah, if you wanted to box this up, you definitely could. So another box here. So this is the first little step up. We break above that 678 up to that 697. So it looks really good. So there is a nice top wall that we would have to break above. So we shall see. Alright, so entry, exit, middle of the move. We got exactly what we want here. So that is on Meta. Alright, so cool. So Apple has earnings today too as well. I wonder... So Apple, I will be honest, so on this weekly chart, we don't have anything stopping us to this upside. We could end up, like I said, you know, another one of these charts where we could end up just continuing and just because there's nothing stopping us. But I don't trade like that just because I don't trade like that. But yeah, if we end up continuing, we could end up going up to 280. But downside, let's take a look here. So this is a nice regular move that I do like for a regular entry. So yes, right under our bottom wall. So yes, we've got the empty space that is under us. Looks pretty good. Clear gap up, no consolidation. We do have that empty space that is under us. So if we do end up dropping, yeah, those could definitely be my targets at 267, and then that's that 263 area, which doesn't look too bad. All right, so that's there. Also, let's take a look. Let's keep on looking for a couple other ones as well. Can I do gold, cats? All right, so CAT. All right, hold on one second here. All right, CAT, we'll take a look here. Yo, Courtney, what's up? Trump's deal tonight. We're trying to might have some upside on the... Well, yeah, we'll have to see how everything plays out. BA. All right. Do you have a course or something? I do have a course. I don't know if you're like trolling, but yeah, we do have a course. Honestly, if you even just want to watch my free live streams, I'm live pretty much every single day. I do also have a free Discord, so you can join the free chat too as well. And obviously, yes, we do have the course there. It gives, what, 2 months in VIP. Obviously, yes, the VIP is there. We do got that 30% off code. But yeah, everything's in the link in the bio. All right, so BA. This is what I'm seeing here. So it looks like, yeah, this move already kind of happened today. And no, I'll be honest, I wasn't in, or I'm not in this play as of this second here. But yeah, we had this empty space here, clear gap up. We ended up getting that 208 break down to that 204. If we do end up getting that continuation, I do want to see down to that 199.46. So yeah, that's what I can see there. All right, so yeah, that's on BA. Doesn't look too bad. Can I start with 200? I mean, honestly, if you're brand new, I would say, you know, obviously you have to do your own research, not financial advice. We typically do like to try to get cheap contracts. Obviously, yes, there's going to be trades with more expensive contracts, but we just try to hit the targets, and that's pretty much it. So you can see, so that was what the other day. You can see what we did today on Tesla. Obviously, Tesla could be a little bit more expensive. We have what TSLL. See what a couple recaps of a couple members what they did this month. What RIVN didn't work today, so that was a swing that I had, but it was a small play. You can see Thanks Put Bros. Obviously, some people, you know, play with a little bit more, which is fine. But typically, yeah, we're just trying to hit those targets, and that's literally it. So, see what we did yesterday, the day before that on IWM. So pretty much same exact plays. But yeah, if I was completely new, and yes, just make sure you're doing your own research. But if I was, you know, completely new, I would start off with paper trading first, see how to place orders, things of that sort, and then start off really small, playing with one contract, and then trying to hold the targets. That's it. Yo, Cam, yeah. So, yeah. Always try to hold the targets. That's pretty much the goal of, you know, trading that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Do you teach how to trade on the downside? Yo, Carla, what's up? What's up? So yeah, pretty much it's the same exact thing. So upside, downside, they both are pretty much the same. So like for today, let's see here. Actually, I want to give you an upside example here. Just give me 1 second. So upside, I want to show you a simple upside example. So yeah, upside, same thing. If there's empty space here, Potter box, obviously you can see we had empty space below us too. So we're in consolidation. So if we dropped under, I would go for the downside. If we went above, I would go for the upside. As you can see, we broke above our level, our wall, which allowed us to the upside there. But yeah, so just like today for Tesla, I saw this clear gap up, no consolidation. It's, you know, the same thing, but pretty much reversed. And yeah, under that, what, 452 area, we take that break under. I'm targeting that downside there. He said, when are you dropping the crypto coin? I think, yeah, I don't think I'll ever drop a coin. I'm fine with the trading. It's all good. I'm not a pump and dump type of dude, so I'll leave that to other people. It's all good. All right, so yeah, let's keep on going. I do want to find a couple more trades. What we got? MSTR. MSTR, Reddit too as well. All right, we got earnings on both of these here. All right, so as of right now, MSTR, I'll be honest, I don't really see a setup on that 4 hour. Let me look at the last time we had it. All right, it didn't really perform that well there. It performs okay. What I can see here is we still got a, you know, box here. So some empty space that still is above us. So clear gap down here, no consolidation. What looks good to me is, yeah, if we get that nice, I get it, we're trying to go down, so this is not a play as of this second here, but yeah, if we do want to get this continuation to this upside, that 313 will be that first, and then that'll be that target there into that empty space. So we'll see how that plays out on that. So that is on MSTR. RDDT, we'll take a look here. 1 second. 1 second here, 1 second here. All right, all right. All right, so Reddit, we'll take a look here. Let's take a look, let's see. Oh, Reddit, actually. Oh, wait. Oh, that looks pretty good. Reddit doesn't look too bad, actually. I see we have earnings on this. Looks like we're... Reddit, RDDT, where's my pen? Actually, that doesn't look terrible. Let's see. Reddit actually doesn't look too bad. Where can I find the link to your Discord? I did not see it in your bio. So yes, that link went in my Discord. That WAP link, that will be the link to the Discord. And that'll lead your way to the free chat or the VIP chat. So yes, it is that WAP link. And then yes, you can see how. Hopefully it works. I think it works. But yeah, everything's in the bio though. All right, so what I can see here. Honestly, I would want that 191 break, but it looks like if we can finish this level here, we got some empty space below us, which doesn't look too bad. Entry, exit, middle of the move. Doesn't look bad there. I will say, so if we end up dropping more, we got empty space below us, so clear gap up. But yeah, right above us though, we end up getting this. If we want to finish this move here, we'd love to see up to that 212 and that 234. Contracts are cooked. Are they cooked? Are you serious? Let me look. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I'll look with you. RDDT. Yeah, I haven't checked the cons though. I do like the downside, but we'll have to see. If the contracts are terrible, then all right. So what? Yeah, not the best cons. They're all right. That is some high IV. That's for sure. So yeah, they're a little bit juiced, man, for sure. Look at that IV on that thing. That's crazy. Yeah, that's wild. All right, yeah, we'll keep on going. Give me 1 second here. I'm going to get me some more water before we finish the rest. So yes, just give me 1 second here. Yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. If you don't want to join, no worries. And yes, we do have that code that will be ending soon too, as well. But yes, give me 1 second. We'll be right back. If I did not go over what you want me to go over, now's the time to drop it inside of the comments. Yo guys, I'm back. All right, so yes, let's get straight to it. Let's see here. Yo, Jake, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Jess, thanks for the rose. All right, so Meta Riot has earnings too. Let's see. Oh, we got Roku too. Yeah, dude. Yeah, we got a lot. I will say we got a lot here. So yeah, for Meta, what I think we went over Meta. All right, so yeah, Meta already had their earnings, but yeah, what we see here, or what I see, is we got a little bit of empty space above us. Right now, we're just inside of this box. Right now, yes, we got this clear gap down. No consolidation here. We break above that 678 area. Do want to see up to this 697. So right now, we're just in that consolidation. Do want to see how that will play out. So what, Riot on the weekly? This better be good. No, I'm kidding. All right, let's see. Let's get rid of all this. Let's go to the weekly. Let's see what the damage is here. Okay. All right, I can see both ways here. So both ways, I can see it. As you can see, we'll go over the upside first really quickly. Hold on 1 second here. Honestly, both sides look pretty good. So, I mean, if we do want to drop, this is what or if we want to rise, if I should say. We got this box here. Let's see, up 25.96 up to that. Might try it up to that 46.01. Exit middle of the move. 35.87. That's what I can see there. Oh, it's not going to do that. All right, so that's there. Also, for the downside here. Let's see. One second here. All right, so we'll keep going. So yeah, we got a lot of big earnings today. So it looks like a lot of things maybe in a bit of chop. All right, so yeah, under us, my bad guys. This is not really a box here. Definitely could be something, but yeah, if we end up getting that, bringing that 19.99, could end up going down to that 14.56. So yeah, that's what I can see. So yeah, entry, exit, middle of the move. We do have exactly what we want here, and that is that 17.15 area. He said, yeah, I'm staying away from it. All right, so I don't think I did cat, or did we? CAT, okay. All right, for a pullback, I think I read. Yo, Zane, what's up? I'm just starting out. Watch 6 hours of trading content. Any advice? Obviously, it's not financial advice. So yeah, just do your own research. But for me, at least, if I was new, maybe pick a strategy. Figure out how to use brokers, place orders, things of that sort. And then start small. That's pretty much it. And try to hit your targets. All right, so CAT for a pullback actually doesn't look too bad there. Not too terrible. Is SPY dumping now? Oh, wow. SPY ended up tapping that one. Oh, buddy. Well, yeah. So, well, SPY ended up hitting that. I'll be honest, I didn't even get into this one. I was thinking about it, but yeah, that ended up hitting that target, and that ended up hitting that, yeah, 680. Yeah, that's crazy. So if it does continue down to that 678, that's what I can see there. All right. Okay. Top bottom wall. Yeah, if we break under that 580.07, let's see down to this 528.74. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. So yeah, we shall see how that plays out. Yeah, SPY ended up dumping to that target. So yeah, this was the next leg down. You can see I was pretty much ready for it, but yeah, my alerts wasn't off. Or on. But yeah, you can see what we had here. Maybe some of the members ended up catching it, but yeah, that target hit perfectly to a T. I literally can't make it up. It's all good. We did good today. I'm still gonna wait for a couple swings in the day, so I'm not really too worried. Yeah, Potter's banned because yeah, I don't know why he's banned, but yeah, he's banned. But yeah, make sure to give him a follow. Potter Stocks PBS. Make sure to give that guy a follow for sure. All right, yes, guys and gals, going to be wrapping it up. So yeah, I found like at least one or two that I see end of day. So yes, we shall see how everything plays out. So yes, I will be hopping off now. I have a lot of typing to do, things of that sort. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. If you do want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, you don't have to be, but yes, links in the bio. Join the free chat or the VIP chat. If you don't want to join, no worries. But yes, we do have that code that will be ending soon too as well. You can see that inside the Discord there. So yes, guys and gals, I'll either see you inside of the Discord or in my next live stream. I will be on live tomorrow morning, an hour before market opens. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. See you either in the Discord or my next live stream. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon.